from my perspective is definitely the accomplishment of young people in achieving their aspirations.
What's great about the Ruia Fund is it's bringing together, weaving four partners, the Rata Foundation, Te Rūnanga o Ngāi Tahu, Te Pūtahitanga o Te Waipounamu and the Ministry of Youth Development. And all four of us are really committed to rangatahi as the leaders of not just tomorrow but the leaders of today.
The job for a central government and for any organisation who operates in a community is to support that. So really the biggest outcome I expect to see from this and hope to see from this is that our young people and their aspirations are achieved.
You're going to be making the decisions. So we're going to have rangatahi applying for the funding, and then rangatahi will be on the selection panel deciding whether they get it or not. For the rangatahi, by the rangatahi.
Tū me ke katoa, he whea ko pai mā tātou katoa, ki te whai ara hou, ki te whai I o rātou ake ara, ki te whakatū kaupapa I o rātou ake kaupapa.
And that's why it's so important that this kind of a partnership, it really just gives them the space and opportunity to achieve their aspirations. And if we can do that, then I think it's fair to say it's been a success.